in my soul, me, no hesitate.
Hey everyone, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be my skincare routine. First I'm going to start with some Nair. I do not put that on my face anymore because as you can see, it burned my face. Y'all, I got a chemical burn on my face. But I still do use it underneath my neck and my chin area to get those stubborn hairs, because if I try to shave them, I get ingrowns and then I end up with black spots because I be trying to pick the ingrowns out. It's just a whole lot. So I do still use Nair underneath my chin, but it's not on my face anymore. So to get the hair off my actual face, I dermaplane. So I use some aloe vera gel and I use like an eyebrow razor, and I just do my cheeks and my mustache area. I don't really do my forehead or anything because there's not much hair up there. Hair up there is from my actual hair. So but yeah, so I just gently glide that down. Super easy. Try not to go over like pimples and stuff because it might irritate it and make things worse. But it's super easy. I've never like cut myself doing it or anything. And yeah. After that, I'm going to take my face cleanser and I'm going to wash my face. Now this is like the Dollar General brand of like the Neutrogena Morning Blast or whatever that has little beads in it, and I just wash my face with that. I either use this or I use Dove soap, something that just won't irritate my skin after being dermaplaned, I guess. And I do all this while I'm still waiting on the Nair to take the hair off my skin. So now I've washed it off and then I've wiped all the Nair off and my skin is pretty smooth. So next I take a cocoa butter stick. This is like my holy grail. I think it really helped my blemishes last time, and it keeps my skin super moisturized. It doesn't make my skin greasy, but I think if you use too much it possibly could. However, it helps my skin a lot because I have psoriasis. I want to thank YEOUTH for sending me this product here to review. They sent me the hyaluronic acid cream. This is their ferulic acid. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but it has vitamin C and vitamin E in it, and basically this will help with all my discoloration and my dark spots. It says the concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids and shea butter make it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing for the skin. But you already see I already used this cocoa butter stick. This doesn't make my face greasy or anything, by the way, but I did notice my face getting a lot lighter. Basically this attracts water molecules, absorbing and holding moisture. It holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. It plumps the face and evens out crevices, providing supple, smooth skin. And it frees radicals, damaged skin. It frees radicals and damaged skin that causes dryness and wrinkles. And it has vitamin C basically, and it's age fighting. And yeah, it basically just acts as a shield for your skin from harmful UV rays. And so it has vitamin E that works hard to build a protective barrier for your skin, allowing the skin to retain healthy moisture. So if you have like I guess dry skin, this would be perfect for it. But yeah, so I'm going to try this, and it's requested to use it at night, so I am going to go to sleep after this. But this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It is this little cream, and the directions say to use at night. Start with a clean, damp skin, spritz on your face, and while it's still damp, apply a pea-sized amount of the cream to your face and neck area and allow it to absorb into your skin. So let's give it a try. Okay, so The reason I smelled it is because I read some reviews and some people were saying that it had a weird smell, which is why they used it at night, because they didn't want to smell like this during the day. The smell isn't bad, it just smells medicated, but it's not like a super strong medication smell, if that makes any sense. Yeah, it doesn't like, I mean, it don't smell like flowers or anything, but yeah. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my skin. If you see it like not rubbing it all the way, it's because I have that cocoa butter on my skin too, so I think it's mixing with that. Probably should use it by itself, but I didn't. But yeah, as you guys saw, I dermaplaned and nared my face. This product is not burning my face, which is a plus. Apparently I have super sensitive skin, so like I was saying before, I can't use nair on my actual face, but I can use it like underneath my neck, because if I shave down there, it doesn't get the job done. And then I get lots of black marks because I have like ingrown hairs. But nairing down there works the best for me, and then I just dermaplan my face. But yeah, it smells like, I don't know how to explain the smell. It's not bad, but it's not like the best smelling thing ever. But it's very moisturizing. I feel my face feels firm. And yeah. I want to thank Youth for sponsoring this video and sending me this product to review. Hopefully you guys like my skin routine. Super simple. I just wash my face and moisturize and get all the hair off of it. Normally I don't get blemishes or anything. That's just like my period, but for the most part I don't have any pimples. I just have dark spots I'm trying to get rid of. And then recently I got a chemical burn from nair on my face. So guys, stop putting nair on your face. Even though I put it on my neck, but I don't put it on my face anymore. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Till next time, bye guys.